Hey, to check the real battery temperature of your POCO C65, you will have to go into the settings. From here, go to the About phone and go into the detailed info and the specification and keep tapping right here until you find the information that you are now in the developer mode. And then you will have to go back from this one and scroll until you locate the additional settings. Now you will have to go into the developer options and keep scrolling until you find option called the power consumption. So it will be somewhere here. Keep scrolling. Yeah, it will be right here under the monitoring section. So that's the power consumption, and when you click on it and tap start, and here you can actually see the real temperature of your battery. When you click on it, you can actually change the theme of this one, and there it is, the real temperature of the battery. And right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.